haven't seen part 1 or part 2 or part 3 of me playing outside with my dog Purdy, well, this is part 4 and it's the same day. Now, we found this lizard right there. Can't really see it, but I don't want to touch it. Yeah, so, and also, there's lots of beehives, like, next to, like, outside. Look, here's that one. There's, that one, and yeah, those are all of them. Hey, it's really windy since the last time. But anyway, this is Papa. I have no idea what I said. Hey, who's that? I don't know who that is. But anyway, Purdy, your studio, Purdy, go fit, Purdy, fetch. Look, Purdy, fetch the stick. Ugh. I didn't throw it that far. Fetch the stick. Sorry guys if my audio cut out. It's because my earbuds fell out. And if you couldn't hear me, then I don't want to do it again. But if you did hear me, then that's cool. Purdy, look, go fetch. Hey, a squirrel! I'm gonna throw it really far this time. Yeah, that wasn't really far this time. I hope I will. Oh, hey, I did that time. Purdy, go fetch. Look, there's a stick. Oh, she doesn't want to get it. Anyways, yeah, so this one was short. But anyways, let me show you where the mushrooms were that I was talking about in part 1 or part 2. I don't remember. Okay, so there were mushrooms right there, and there was one mushroom right there, and oh, this is so pretty. And there's these flowers. Yeah, we're just looking at flowers now. Look, there's the lizard I was talking about earlier. I'm gonna touch it, and there's some white and yellow flowers, and there's more yellow flowers in my backyard than white flowers. But hey, I don't know what that leaf is, but okay. But there was some dandelions here, like back in February or something on this year. Also, guys, you might recognize my voice. Yeah. So I should be doing. I have bad news.
Just a few more minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sorry, that was my mom. But anyway, I have some bad news and good news. The bad news is, yeah, it's really bad. My dad got a stroke, and the good news is, because of his stroke, I have to take a little bit. What? Oh, my mom was giving me water. Anyway, I was gonna say that. Hold on, I'm just gonna put it on my armpit because I'm gonna drink some water. But anyway, I was saying, yeah, I have to take a little bit days off school because of my dad's stroke. Purdy, do you want some water? Purdy, look. Purdy, come here. You want some water? Get some. Drink the water. I just gave Purdy some water. So anyway, this water's really good. Yeah, and also it's almost Halloween. And like I told you, I just saw the lizard again. That's why I did that voice. But remember in part 3, part 2, I told you about my 4 nieces? Well, only one of them. I mean 2 of them. Well, one of your birthdays is on Halloween. Yeah, pretend you didn't hear that. Anyway, fan up there. And there's a little puppy, pretty. Anyways, okay. So anyway, just gonna give you a little tour of my backyard, even though you know some of it. I just saw the lizard again. That's the porch, I don't know what to call it. This is the door that goes into the house. This is that fan. This is the fan going to my grandma's room. That's my dog, Purdy. Oh, you already know that. This tree is really old, I think. And I don't know what that weird thing is over there next to Purdy. And I don't mean that tree. I mean the thing that's kind of the same size as the tree. I guess I'm gonna, anyway, the grass is growing along here for some reason now. There's a little pretty, there's the white and yellow flowers I showed you earlier, and yellow flowers which are taking up most of your yard, and the lizard I saw earlier I told you about on this part. But anyway, yeah, so that's the end of the video. Also, my hand was blocking it because I had to hold on to it because only sorry guys if you couldn't hear me. That's because my earbuds fell out. But I was trying to say because I was jumping off a thing and I had to, oh my god, and I had to hold it because only one hand was holding my tablet. Anyway, yeah, this is the end of this part. This is not the last video on it. But anyway, how much is my battery at? I'm gonna make a video later about playing Roblox. About playing some Roblox games I like. So, and also please subscribe. I only have 5 subscribers. One of the subscribers is my big sister because she subscribed on my birthday for me because I wanted her to. Anyway, look at the channel banner and please subscribe. I only have 5 subscribers. My videos were bad at first, now they're getting good. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna breathe the wind. Actually, I'm gonna keep recording until my mom tells me to go outside. Hold on. Just put my tablet because I was gonna drink some water and I just did. Okay, so guys, let's find Purdy. Let's play hide and seek with Purdy. Okay, Purdy. Actually, hide and seek tag. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got you, too, Purdy. Now you have to give me a little Purdy. She doesn't want to play. Probably because she's shy. Anyway, yeah, I don't know why I'm saying weird stuff sometimes. Anyway, Hope my dad's okay if he's watching this video. Cause like I told you earlier, he had a stroke. But Dad, if you're watching this video, I hope you're okay, which you're probably not watching the video because you're in the hospital. But when you get better, I hope you'll watch this video. Anyway, I just jumped off, that's why I made that sound. Anyway, if anyone knows what this means, look, it says Lamosa Mexico Lam. I don't know what that means, but if anyone knows what it means, tell me in the comments. Breeze. That's probably why my earbuds fell out, but breeze feels so good. Oh, butterfly! But I didn't bring my, what? Yeah? That was my mom again, guys. Anyway, I was gonna say there's a butterfly, but I didn't bring my net, so let me go get my net. I'm just getting my nets because I saw a butterfly. Oh. It was a butterfly. Where's my net? Okay, I found it. Sorry, YouTube, please don't take this video down. My mom said that. Oops, she's gonna be mad.
What are you doing?
I accidentally knocked down the bottles. Don't swear, I'm making YouTube. Pretty. Oh, now everything looks like it's yellow now. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch that butterfly, because I've never caught a single butterfly in my entire life. Anyway, it looks like I'm a tiny person now because, oh, I see one. Or that's probably just a bug. But it looks like I'm a tiny person now because I'm holding the butterfly net with the hand I was holding my tablet with. But if I see the lizard again, I'm gonna try to catch it too, even though it's not a butterfly. Anyways, oh, almost fell. Anyways, yeah, so, bye. I didn't say bye, I said because my leg, the bottom of my legs are getting itchy because of what's it called? The long grass. Anyways, so, oh, I'm gonna try to catch Birdie. Come here. Come on, you little birdie. Come on. Come here, little birdie. This is not animal abuse. I'm not gonna hit her. Look, come here. Come here, little birdie. Look. I got her. Look. I got a little puppy named Birdie. Wait. But anyway, I got her. I don't know what room that fan goes to, and I don't know what this thing is. And look, that thing next to the tree I was talking about earlier. Anyways, look at those. Oh, I can't carry the bottle anymore, so I'm gonna go inside and put the bottle of water down. What? Okay, and I did. That was my mom. Okay, there, I put the bottle down. Now I can hold up my tablet in the hand I had, but no, what?
Damn it.
Oops, sorry. I'm really sorry. sorry. And I said because she said a bad word.
No.
Please, I'm sorry, a little bit more time.
Stay your ass outside.
She said a bad word, guys. Look pretty. I'm gonna catch you, German Shepherd. I'm a dog catcher. I'm not actually. And this snack can't reach over there. These dogs are so cute, even if they bite people. I just heard her fall, make something fall. Anyway, YouTube, please don't delete this video because my mom's saying bad words. Anyway, yeah, so I just don't really know what to do anymore. Oh wait, I'm gonna try to look for butterfly or that lizard I saw earlier. Okay, so the butterfly I saw earlier was right here, but it's gone. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna play some Would You Rather with Purdy. I just saw some bugs, but they weren't butterflies. Purdy, come here. Come here, little Purdy. Come on. Come here. Come here, little Purdy. Calling her with my lap. Okay, so Purdy, would you rather? Anyway, Purdy, would you rather eat tons of bacon, or would you rather the German Shepherd not bark at you for a day? Hold on, I'm gonna. Purdy, look. I'm calling her with my lap. Come here, little Purdy. Come here. Come on, you little puppy. Sorry. Stop. Oh. Come here, little Purdy. Come on. Come on, you little Purdy. Come on, little puppy. Come on. Get Purdy, get closer. Do you? She's scared of my net. Do you think I'm gonna hit you with this, Purdy? I would never hit a dog, even if it's attacking me. Come here, little Purdy. Come on. She usually comes when I call her with my name. Purdy, come here. Come on. Come here, little Purdy. I said because my mommy said those lazy bad word. She didn't actually say bad word. She said a bad word. Purdy, would you rather eat tons of bacon or that German Shepherd not bark at you? Which one? Which one, little Purdy? Which one? Which one? Come on, little Purdy pig. She's so cute, puppy. She's so cute. Pick, little puppy. Pick, little Purdy. Which one? Which one, little Purdy? Eat tons of bacon? Oh, okay, so she picked the side with that. She picked the side that had the German Shepherd not barking at her. Okay, Purdy. I'm just gonna look. I'm talking about that German Shepherd. Look, hold on, let me get closer. I don't know what my mom's complaining about, but she seemed really mad. But look, that German Shepherd, that's the one I was talking about. You're so little Purdy. You're so cute. You're so cute, little puppy Purdy. Little puppies are so cute. 3 little puppies that live next to me. Purdy, because she's my aunt's dog, and my aunt gave her to me. And that German Shepherd, and then Drake from part 2 or part 1. I can't really remember. Come here, little Purdy. Hold on. She thinks I'm gonna hit her with a butterfly net. I will never do that. Go, Purdy, come here. I'm not gonna hit you. I will never hurt you. I will never hurt a cute little puppy. Come on, new Purdy. Come here. She usually comes when I call her with my lap. Come here, little Purdy. I'm gonna clap. Come here, little Purdy. Come on, cute little puppy. She doesn't want to. She's shy. Drake and Purdy are a little bit shy on camera. Anyways, whoever you are that has that German Shepherd over there, whoever you are that has that German Shepherd right there and is watching this video, you need to keep him inside because my mom called a dog catcher and I don't want that dog to be gone even though that it's not. So whoever owns that German Shepherd and is watching this video, keep him inside. Come on, you Purdy. I'm just gonna hum some music because I don't have a good editor for music. By editor, I mean an app. And also because I don't know how to use them. So I'm just gonna hum the music I wanted to do. I wanted to put. Actually, never mind. Never mind. I'll just find a music editor for this video. A butterfly, but I forgot my net. Probably a butterfly. Anyways, I'm just gonna put the music in the music editor that I'm gonna install that I haven't installed yet. Anyway, I need to check on part 1 of playing outside